Algorithmic Trading Systems is our book that we released in October of 2015. We're going to go over some of the latest performance summaries, and I want to show you the Euro currency strategy. It's probably the least impressive strategy of all, and we are using a custom session to find gaps in the Euro currency. So if you take a look at it, here are the results for this strategy, and you see $60 average trade profit, and you see no slippage or commission. So what can we do to improve that? We apply the save indicator at the bottom of that, and you saw the workspace with all the strategies in it. And then we click over here. There's another workspace we're going to take a look at. Then we're going to take a look at the results for that. So what we're able to do is we're able to improve the average trade profit just a little. It doesn't drop much, so that's the key. We go up actually about $4, but we reduce this drawdown by about 50%. And so we're able to improve the equity curve, improve the trading system with the money management algorithms. And the money management algorithm that we are using is we're getting in on a limit entry, and we're simply using the open equity moving average. So we're taking a look at the moving average on a bar by bar basis using the 5 and 10 period moving average of the open equity curve, not the closed equity but the open equity. And so that is one way to improve gap fill and reverse Euro currency is with the money management algorithms. And so taking a look at all the strategies, I want to show you some of the results for that. Here is crude oil. Let me show you the latest for that. And you see here are some of the results I have. Here's the equity curve. It's making equity peaks. There's no slippage or commission. We're using the 10:30 to 14:28 start to finish time. That's based on Eastern Standard Time. And so we've made equity peaks. As we continue to make equity peaks, we released the book back in this time frame, and it continues to make equity peaks. Brent, another market to consider is Brent crude, trades on ICE, and you can see here is this. It pulled back until about August 2016, then it's rallied. So nice move there in Brent. And Euro, we have the Euro gap strategy here. So this is actually probably the least impressive, and it had this pullback here, but then it's had a nice equity curve up since. The Boons, pretty choppy equity curve. The gap fill in reverse, it looks like this. But if you come over here and trade this version of it, the gap fill in reverse, you see the results are a little better. And this is the multiple entry strategy for gap fill in reverse from the book. And then the DAX, you can trade the DAX as well. Pretty low drawdown for a DAX strategy. It had a little bit of a pullback here, and then it's bounced back as well. Crude oil, we have the crude oil strategy. This is a multi-contract version of crude oil. So you add contracts to this strategy, and so you can see some of the results here. In this case, we trade 2. In that case, we traded 2. It enters 2 contracts and then exits at different times. And so you see the results there. So that's some updates from the Algorithmic Trading Systems.com strategies. And the crude oil strategies alone are worth it. Definitely worth it. So take a look at that if you're looking for a crude oil strategy, looking for a trading system example. And these strategies are a great way to learn code, great way to learn actual trading systems if you're new to strategy development.